Everyone thinks the best-selling portable car jump starter is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Noco Boost GB40. First up is the Noco Boost GB40, and honestly, it's impressive right out of the box. At around $91, it's a bit of an investment, but this jump starter packs a punch with 1,000 amps of peak power. If you want a reliable jump starter that's compact and powerful, this is worth a serious look. This device can start a dead battery in seconds, handling engines up to 6.0L gas and 3.0L diesel. Perfect for a wide range of vehicles. The spark-proof technology and reverse polarity protection mean you can connect it without worrying about making a mistake, which is great if you're a bit anxious about using these tools. Plus, it doubles as a power bank with a battery capacity of 2,150 milliamp hours, so you can charge your phone or tablet in a pinch. With over 128,000 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, it's a trusted choice for many. Now, some users pointed out that the price is a bit steep compared to others. Here's the thing though, you're paying for quality and safety features that could save you a lot of headaches down the road. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable jump starter that's also a power bank. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra cheap and don't mind a bit of extra bulk. Now, if Noco's price point concerns you, the next option may surprise you with its features and affordability. Product number 2, Oxylum Jump Starter. Next is the Oxylum Jump Starter, which caught my eye with its robust specs and a price tag of just $59.99. This jump starter boasts an impressive peak current of 6,000 amps, making it capable of reviving even the most stubborn batteries in seconds. If you want something powerful without breaking the bank, this is definitely worth your attention. What really stands out here is its ability to perform in extreme temperatures, which means it won't let you down during chilly winter mornings. It also features multiple safety protections, so you won't have to worry about sparks or short circuits. That's peace of mind for any driver. Plus, it has a built-in power bank that can charge your devices, which is a huge bonus, giving you more utility on the go. It has a solid 4.6-star rating with around 2,200 reviews, which shows a good amount of satisfied customers. Some users did mention it's a bit bulky, which can be a hassle if you're tight on space. But honestly, the power and features you get make it a worthwhile option for anyone needing a reliable jump starter. This is perfect for you if you want high performance at a reasonable price. Skip this one if you're looking for something super compact, because this one's a bit bigger, but well worth the space. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a balance of performance and portability. Product number 3, Trekure Portable Jump Starter. Now let's talk about the Trekure Portable Jump Starter, priced at around $35.99. This unit delivers 4,000 amps of peak power, which is enough to jumpstart vehicles up to 8.0L gas or 6.5L diesel. If you're looking for something affordable yet effective, this is a fantastic option. It has a solid battery capacity of 16,800 milliamp hours, allowing you to jumpstart over 1,000 times on a single charge, which is fantastic for anyone who drives a lot. The integrated light modes will definitely come in handy during roadside emergencies, providing illumination when you need it most. With its 4.6-star rating and over 4,100 reviews, users appreciate its reliability and functionality. However, some customers did express concerns about its performance in very cold weather. Here's the thing, though, as long as you use it within the specified temperature range, it should serve you well. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget, but still want a reliable jump starter. Skip this one if you need something for extreme conditions, as it might not perform as well in those situations. Now, if you're looking for something that combines power with advanced features, the next product might just catch your attention. Product number 4, Trekure Car Battery Jump Starter. Next up is another Trekure model, the Car Battery Jump Starter, priced at $89.99. This one is particularly impressive with a peak current of 8,000 amps, making it suitable for all gas engines and 12L diesel engines. If you want something super powerful and compact, this is definitely worth considering. What's fantastic about this model is its fast charging capability and the 26,800 milliamp hours battery, allowing it to charge your devices quickly while also jump-starting your car multiple times per charge. It's designed to be user-friendly with an easy operation process, which is great if you're not super experienced with jump starters. Plus, with 10 safety protections, you can feel secure using it without worrying about damaging your vehicle or the starter itself. It's received a solid 4.6-star rating from over 1,000 reviews. That said, some users mentioned they found the instructions a bit confusing. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, I think it's pretty straightforward. This is perfect for you if you want something powerful yet easy to use. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option, as it's on the pricier side, but offers great value for money. Now, if you want something compact yet powerful, the next product could be right up your alley. Product number 5, S-Zevzo ET03. Finally, we have the S-Zevzo ET03, priced at $53.99. This jump starter delivers 4,000 amps of peak power, capable of starting vehicles with up to 8.0 L gas and 7.0 L diesel engines. If you're looking for something that's affordable and efficient, this could be a great option. What makes this starter stand out is its force start function, which allows it to jumpstart 0V batteries, a feature that can really save the day in emergencies. It also doubles as a power bank with a decent battery capacity, which is perfect for charging your devices. The LED flashlight is bright and comes with multiple modes, making it really handy for roadside emergencies. It boasts a 4.6-star rating from 6,200 reviews, indicating happy users. Some reviewers did mention concerns about its durability over time. Here's my perspective. If you handle it with care, it should last you a good while, especially given its price point. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly solution that still packs a punch. Skip this one if you're looking for premium features, but overall, it's a solid buy for the price. Now, let's summarize what we've covered. To wrap it up, we've covered the Noco Boost GB40, the Oxylum Jump Starter, the Trek Your Portable Jump Starter, the Trek Your Car Battery Jump Starter, and the S-Zevzo ET03. Each offers unique benefits, whether it's high power, affordability, or multi-functionality. Depending on your specific needs, any of these could be your best choice. Stay safe out there and make sure you're prepared for any situation on the road.